Hello, I am going to Mexico on Monday. It is now Friday at like 5 o'clock and I have not packed at all and I have a very busy weekend. So this is like the only time I have to pack. I'm super stressed out about it. So I'm trying to get it done right now. I'm so happy because when I looked a couple days ago, this was mostly like thunderstorm possibilities. And so I'm really liking this outcome. I will take partly sunny any day, and 80s, yes, please. I wasn't really sure what I was gonna pack because I saw the thunderstorm possibilities before. I still think I might bring a very light rain jacket just in case, because I feel like places like that, it can rain super hard for like an hour and I'm gonna want a coat for that hour. I have a few things packed already. Well, very few. I have socks, underwear, pajama pants, and a dress in here. I need to just start throwing stuff in. Okay, so for makeup bag, toiletry bag, I have some stuff in here already. I'll show you. For makeup, I don't know if I want to wear too much makeup because it's gonna be so hot, but I still like want to bring a little bit. But right now I just have a hair clip. I'll probably pack my black one as well. Hair ties, because these are always handy. I have a little bit of shampoo because I don't usually like to use the hotel ones very much. Makeup remover, sponge, hair cap for the shower, bronzer highlights. This is my favorite mascara, the Sky High one, and this is basically empty. I really need to get another one. I wish I would have thought of it yesterday when I was at Target. But this is my favorite one. I've already gone through a couple and I just want to keep getting it. So I need to get another one of those. Oh, recently my coworker who works for Clinique gave me this little goodie bag with a bunch of different things in it, and these two were in it. They're just like moisturizer and cleanser. So they're perfect for travel. Eyebrow pencil. Honestly, if I could just bring a toothbrush and an eyebrow pencil, I would be good. Toothpaste, some more moisturizer, a band-aid, and a scrunchie, and then some like loose clips and bobby pins. But that's what I have packed. Oh yeah, and then I have comb, and then my curling iron. Okay, a couple things I cannot forget to pack. Sunscreen, one of them. We can get sunscreen there, but we have some here. Sunglasses. And I need to remember to pack our waterproof phone case because we are going to go to this like adventure park that has water activities, so I want to bring that. And then I also need to bring some sort of like waterproof shoe to also use there. And then I definitely can't, I would be so sad if I forgot to put my nails on. These are my, here, I'll show you. So these are my Valentine's nails. It's really not showing up on camera, but they're definitely like a sparkly holographic-y pink. You can kind of see it like that. You can kind of tell there. Ew, my nails look gross. That's why I need to put these on. And then the middle one has rhinestones. I prefer to wait till the last second to put my nails on, just in the case that one of them breaks or pops off. It's kind of unlikely, but it could happen, and then I'd be super sad and I wouldn't have nails, so I'm waiting till the very last second to do that. Okay, so I just got home and I remembered that I need to paint my toenails. So I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna paint them the same color as my nail set, but I'm gonna do a base coat of white because that color that I use is really sheer, so I had to do like 4 coats. So I think I'm gonna just do a base of white and then put that like sparkly pink over it so it kind of matches. I'm not gonna show you my toes because obviously. Good morning. It is Sunday. I leave super early tomorrow, so I need to finish what I need to do. Right now I'm gonna put my nails on. I do have to go to work in less than an hour, so I'm gonna put my nails on and then see how much I can get done besides that, but probably not much because I obviously still need to get ready. Okay, final product. I wish you could see the actual color. I mean, it's pretty similar. It's a very light pink, but it's got some like purple shimmers in it. But these are really long. I haven't had nails this long in a while. The last couple ones I've done are a little bit shorter, but I think they're pretty. I like them. Okay, so I have like 10 minutes to spare before I have to go, so I am gonna start folding what I do have in my bag. I'm bringing a couple dress options. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, especially because we're gonna be there Monday through Friday, so I don't really know what the nightlife is on a Monday through Friday, but just in case we wanna go out, I brought the dress that I wore for my birthday. I brought this dress. I also can't forget, I feel like I'm gonna forget. I made this set. It's a little skirt with a matching bralette. And I need to finish the ends. So I have to remember to do that, but I need to pick this. I have some fuzzy pajama shorts. And then I have 2 pairs of jean shorts. I'm really, really wishing I had a pair of like flowy pants or like linen pants, but I do not. And now I don't have time to go try to find some, so it's fine. I'm also bringing a pair of running shorts and 2 pairs of biker shorts because of that adventure park. There will be water, so I'll probably wear these because they would just dry super quickly. I also need to buy the tickets for that adventure park thing. I have been slacking. I'm so bad at folding things and putting them in my bag, and now that I'm thinking of it, I'm gonna go get my packing cubes. Why didn't I not think of that? Okay, so I have my packing cubes. I got these on Amazon a long time ago. Very handy. Thank goodness we're going somewhere warm though, because packing for somewhere cold is so awful. I'm debating how many swimsuits to bring. I will definitely be by the pool a lot, I can only assume. I have at least 2 packed right now. I'm thinking about packing 2 more, just for options. Okay, so I am getting close to being done packing, especially with my clothes and everything, but now I gotta figure out which backpack to take. I almost always travel with this one just because it has the 2 water bottle holders on the side. I'm tempted to take this just because it's smaller, but I always want to have at least a water bottle. I don't know. I'm also getting really tired. We have to wake up at like 5-ish, which I'm not looking forward to, so I probably should go to bed pretty soon, but at least want to be mostly done. Oh yeah, and the other thing I need to pack is shoes. I cannot decide on which shoes I want to take. So yeah, backpack and shoes for the most part is, I think that's really it. I need to put my toiletries and everything in my bag, but I think my toiletries are pretty much packed themselves. Like the packing cubes, another thing you should get if you don't already have one is a little travel jewelry organizer. I take this thing with me everywhere because it's so handy. As well as mini travel size razor. I always have these. I get them at Target and they are perfect for traveling. You should totally get one if you don't already have one. And yeah, I could get a lot of stuff in here because there's a lot of little pouches. And I like to separate by like golds and silver jewelries. Okay, so one of my final predicaments is if I want to bring this camera. I really want to, but I'm just so paranoid about breaking it or losing it or just something happening. That would suck so bad, but like, that's what this camera's for, is to like take with me because it's much smaller than my other one. But I don't know, is it worth it? I don't even have a wrist strap or any sort of strap for this. It's gonna be a game time decision on this one for sure. Okay, last thing before I go to bed is I'm gonna buy our tickets for these, this theme park. It's called Ishkaret and it's in like Riviera Maya. I have heard a bunch of different things. There's a bunch of different ones, so we were having a really hard time picking which one we wanted to go to, but this one kind of seemed like it had the most overall things to do and not so much like, some of them were very specific to just water activities and the other ones were very adventurous, which was cool, but it sounded also like a workout. So we're gonna go with Ishkaret, and yeah, so I have to buy this. I'm thinking we want to go maybe on Wednesday. Fun. Good morning. It's like 6 a.m. right now. We are about to leave. I think we're all ready. I'm sleepy. And I think I ultimately decided that I'm not gonna take this camera, even though I really want to, just because I think like 85% of the things that we probably will be doing will be around sand. And I just don't want that to ruin my camera. I just don't want to have any reason to worry about it, so not gonna take this. Just gonna use my phone. Yep. I debated it again for a second, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All packed and ready. I ended up with like 5 pairs of shoes because I couldn't decide. You ready, bro?
Yes.